Good morning children, Joyada here. Welcome to the math class. Today we will start a new exercise which is 2.5 from your NCERT book. Now here we will start we are starting decimal. So before starting decimal, what we will have to check here, which one is greater. So which one is greater from 0.5 or 0.05? As you know that it is in the decimal place, so you can write it as it is 5 by 10, because after point one decimal places one digit is there, so I can write it is a 5 tenth after decimal 10th place, and here it is, instead of or can I write one box, so can I draw one box, and this one is after point it is 10th place and it is 100th place. You all know that 10th place and 100th place, do you remember? This is ones place, this is point, and this is 10th place, TTH, 10th place, and this is 100th place, HTH. That means 100th place. So when it is 100th place, then we can write 5 by 100, as after decimal two places of two digits are there, two numbers are there, so I will write 5 by 100. Now to make this denominator same, or you can find in the another way also, numerators are same, denominators are larger. So in that case, where you are dividing 5 into 100 times and here you are dividing 5 into 10 times, which one is greater? That means this one is greater. Or better, if you want to do in another way, you can make the denominator same. In that case, you have to make 10 and 100, LCM is 100. So make LCM 100. You can make 10 into 10 and 5 into 10, that means 50. And the box you are giving here, and 5 by 100. In this case, it will become 100. It will become 100, and this is become 50. Now you compare which one is greater. It is out of 150 and this is out of 105. So automatically this one is greater. So as this one is greater, that means you can write which one is greater. So you can write 0.5 is greater than 0.05. Many ways are there, you can think in this way. So you can explain the sum, which one is greater. Now come to that next sum. Now in this second sum, question number 2, 7 or 0.7. You know 7 means 7, and this is 7 and it is 7 by 10. Which one will be greater? You can easily think that it is 7 is divided here 10 times and it is 7. If you want to make denominator same, then the same way you can do, the LCM is 10. So 7 by 10, 7 by 1 into 10 box 7 by 10. Then what we can get? 70 by 10 or 7 by 10. Now easily you can see that which one is greater. Denominators are same, so the numerators you will need to compare. When you are comparing the numerator 70 and 7, which one is greater, you can easily say that this one is greater. So slowly you go here and you can write that means this one is greater. Understood? So come to the next sum in question number 5. Here it is 2.03 or 2.30. We need to compare which one is greater. I have written another line with using box. Now you know that it is 203 by out of point 2 places of decimal. So it is 100 place, box 230 by 100, because out of after point 2 places are there. Now you can clearly see that Here also out of 100 203, out of 100 230. So very clearly you can say that this one is greater. So this one is greater. Understood? Now come to the next sum. Now question number 2, express using decimals. Now whatever the questions are there, I have written here, and you have to express all the numbers in decimals. The question is 7 paise. If you want to convert it into rupees, what you will do? You will divide it. 7 paise means 7 by 100 rupees. So as it is 100 place of decimal, so 0.07 rupees. 0.07 rupees. Next question is 7 rupees 7 paise. You have to convert it into express the number in decimal. So it is 7 rupees. So 7 plus 7 paise means 7 by 100, you know. So both are rupees now. Next 7 plus, as it is 7 by 100, so 0.07 rupees. You can write in this way, rupees 7.07. Understood? Come to the next question. Now next question is 50 paise. You have to express it in decimal. 50 paise, that means 50 by 100. You are converting the paise into rupees. So rupees 100, 0 cancel. You can write in this way, rupees 0.5. Understood? Come to the next question. 235 paise. As we are converting into rupees, so 235 by 100 rupees. When you are converting into decimal, 2 places of decimal, so point will move 2 places. So the result will be rupees 2.35, 100 place of decimal. This is the answer. Next question, question number 3. Now express 5 centimeter. Now centimeter, kilometer, meter in this way. Previously it was only decimal number. Question number 1. Question number 2, rupees paise by using decimal. Now in question number 3 we are expressing meter, centimeter by using decimal. And before going to this sum, you know that kilo, hectare, decameter. So I hope all of you know that kilo, hectare, deca, meter, deci, centi, millimeter. In this way, and we know that for every every metric system, when we are going from kilo to meter, that means the greater to smaller, we are multiplying into 1, and when we are going to smaller to the larger one, we are dividing per metric system, per metric part, divided by 10. So when we are expressing 5 centimeter in meter and kilometer, when it is 5 centimeter, you are converting to meter. We are here and we are going to meter. That means from centimeter you are going to this direction. In this direction you are dividing by how many tens you need? 10 into 10, because for decimeter and meter. So 5 centimeter, when you are converting into meter, that means 5 by 100 meter, that means 0.05 meter. Now when you are converting into kilometer, that means you are going to going from centimeter to kilometer. That means how many places you are moving? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 centimeter 2 kilometer, 5 by 10, 20, 10, 100. In this way, how many? Now 5 by 10,000, why 10,000? 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, and here it is kilometer. So we are coming 10, 100 in this way. How many 10 places you need to move? 10,000. So it will be 0.00005. See, kilometer, hectare, deca, meter, deci, centi. Kilometer, in this place of kilometer put the point, then after kilometer, kilo, hectare, deca, meter, deci, centi. So it will become kilometer now, as we have given point here. Is it clear? Now next sum. Now next question is express 35 meter in centimeter, meter and kilometer. So again I have written kilo, hectare, deca, meter, deci, centi, milli. In this way it is 35 centimeter. Sorry, 35 millimeter. 35 millimeter. As it is 35 millimeter and you want to convert it into centimeter, so you will divide it by 10, because from millimeter to centimeter only one place you need to move to left side. So divide it by 10, divide it. So 35 divided by 10. Now it is become centimeter. The result is 3.5 centimeter. Next question is you want to convert 35 millimeter into meter. 35 millimeter into meter. Now come to 35 millimeter. Millimeter, centi, deci, meter. 1000 places of you need to divide by 1000. 3 places are there, so it will become meter now. As it is how many places? 1000 places. So 1, 2, 0.035 meter. Last one is 35 millimeter. You need to convert it into kilometer. From 35 you are coming to the left side, so you are dividing how many places? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 zeros you need. So 35, 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now it has become kilometer. So the result is 0.123, 4 and then 3 and 5, and it will become kilometer. Understood? Practice this sum, students. Thank you.